Hannah with WTI.
If you're like me, you're always looking for some hidden storage in your house. Our house is pretty small and storage is at a minimum. So this storage cabinet, sideboard, TV cabinet, whatever you want to call it, by JASIWay has been perfect for our living room. It has tons of space in it. So on one side, I have all of my daughter's toys so it doesn't look cluttered in our living room. And the other side is our electronic game systems, our charging port system, and it has the holes in it. So if you do use it as a TV cabinet, your cords are nice and hidden inside. I also really love the height of the bottom, so it's very easy to clean under. I really love the wood grain pattern and the rattan. It makes it very cozy looking. Putting it together was very easy. Everything is labeled perfectly. The hardest part is getting the doors where they're perfectly level because you have all 4 of them. But don't worry when you first do it. These 2 screws here adjust the height and how far the doors stick out. So it's very easy to adjust and make sure they're all perfect at the end. If you are looking for extra storage in your living room, dining room, wherever, this piece is gorgeous and holds a ton.
And that's my point of view.